everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. Today I wanted to pop on and do a quick unboxing of the latest Planners Anonymous kit. It's called Under the Stars. This is what comes in the box, and a couple extras that I like to get. So let's have a look. So you get everything in this bag and this bag. These are extras that I added on, and we'll go through everything. So first off, let's see what's in here. And this was packed by Zara. Thank you, Zara. So this kit, if you subscribe now, you won't get this kit. You'll get the next kit, which is actually called Sakura, and it is absolutely gorgeous. But every kit comes with a pen. It's just a normal black ballpoint pen, twist to open. It's not a gel pen or anything, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I love collecting them. And it says Planners Anonymous right on the clip. You also get 3 rolls of washi, and I will pause this so you don't have to see me fighting with the plastic, and get these open and we'll look at these. The rest of the stuff that's in here is, oh, that was the plastic from the pen. So you always get quote cards, some stickers, a bonus item, stamps, die cuts, and then this card with the girl on it. Sometimes I love to sit out under the stars and dream of what love could be. So this is Luna is her name, and this sets the tone for the box. So lots of purples, lights and dark purples and black. And then this lists everything that's in the standard kit. Now there's exciting news. I've done a couple of these unboxings before, and they've added now an option to get just the stickers. So if that's something that interests you, check it out. Like I said, the next kit is a bunch of pinks and maroons and plum colors, and has cherry blossoms. So these are the stamps. I keep all these, but I've not actually used them yet. I haven't tried to play with stamping yet in my kit, but you can see there are the different phases of the moon, the girl Luna, and her trusty dog there. You get some quote cards. So these are not stickers, but I like to use them as stickers just by using my tape runner on the back. So you are my universe. The world needs your dreams. When the universe speaks, I listen. Spread the sparkle. Shine bright. Turn your dreams into plans. That's pretty appropriate for those of us that are planners. And then this little decorative card that you can use. So those are the quote cards. Next, let's look at the die cuts. So again, these are not stickers. They are printed on some heavy cardstock paper though, so you can use them for whatever you want. I'm not going to pull this tiny little star out because I don't want to lose it. And there was a little, well, I'm going to put it in my other storage anyway, so I guess. Oh, and there's a bunch of little guys. There's a couple little bugs, another little star, couple little stars. Usually they aren't that teeny tiny. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. So this is just an art card. There's nothing on the back. It's kind of like a cardstock, a little bit bigger than the card with the girl on it. And I like to use these, laminate these with a backing sheet to bring them up to the size for a classic happy planner and make covers out of these. So there's Luna again. A moon with some clouds at the base. Some more little fireflies, a gorgeous flower. I'm not sure what kind of flower that is. Some wishes written on paper, another flower, more clouds. Here's a little flower that you could use as a border. A couple more teeny tiny little stars. Here is the back of a truck. Looks like they're sitting. They've got pillows and a blanket and a puppy to do some stargazing. And there's the dog. I don't know what his name is. Another little lantern or glass box. Here's a couple more teeny tiny little stars. This, I'm not sure. I think this is decorative, something that hangs from the ceiling, almost like a dream catcher. It looks like macrame hanging down from a wire shaped like the moon. And then here we have a full moon. This is just some kind of decorative mandala, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Another flower. Here's a backpack with like a sleeping roll. So definitely all about camping out under the stars. Here's a sickle moon. Here's another little paper note for your wish, and one more cloud. So that's all of the die cuts. And again, I use these kind of like stickers. I will go ahead and put tape runner on the back and use them like that. This is the extra item. So you get a bonus secret item every kit. Sometimes they're sticker storage. There have been bookmarks and sticky note pads. This, I believe, is a it's just a clear card, acetate, heavy acetate card. So I'm not sure. I guess you could punch this and put it in your planner, or maybe use it as a really large washi tape card. This definitely is more of a washi tape card size with an angled top. I don't know if you can see that. Same kind of extra thick acetate. And then this is definitely an adhesive pocket that you could put inside your planner. And I'm guessing, yep, the quote cards fit right in there perfectly. So you could change out your quote card if you don't want to use them as stickers. Okay, so I'm going to clean all this off, and then we'll get into the papers and the washi tape. All right, so this is the standard sticker kit. If you just get the straight up kit, these are the stickers you will get. So we have a deco page with our girl, another deco page with a tent and her backpack and a planner and a pen. You get this page with Happy Mail and planners and some little post-it notes and coffee. And those look like little cell phones, little iPhones. And then you get this page that has the day of the week covers. This actually is a tri-fold sticker that does a fold open like I've done in my last couple catch-all planners. And then this is actually, so this is for your storage binder. And then this is the preview of next month's kit. So if you subscribe right now, this is the next kit you'll get. It ships in January. And I cannot wait for that kit. And then in addition to these stickers, if you buy the extra sticker kit, you'll get these in addition, which they're always different, but definitely all play nice together. So this is, like I said, this is the additional sticker kit. So there's a little bit bigger one of our girls. So this was the original sticker kit. So you can see it's a little bit bigger. And then this also has other characters in it. So we have a, I don't know if that's her boyfriend or just another stargazer, but he's got the dog. There's the moon, different phases of the moon and some clouds. There's another girl out stargazing. There's a nice little deco sheet with some flowers. Here's the tent with more of those hanging decorations like we saw in the die cuts. These are some flat lays, or basically top-down view. It looks like the dog is sitting in the middle of the rug looking up at you. That's cute. Here are some minis. So these minis are doing just standard activities. This one's exercising, this one's cooking, shopping, reading, doing laundry, crafting. Or actually, no, it looks like there's two crafting and she's cooking. And then these minis always follow the theme and have the characters from the theme. So there you see Luna and the guy who had the dog. There he is dancing with the dog, and this girl reading. And then it looks like the dog is our fourth character for this one. Here are some quote stickers. Shine bright, spread the sparkle. So a lot of these match the quote cards, but not all of them. Here is a deco with some empty jars, and it looks like you could write in these, and a couple more quotes. Those would make great weekend banners. You guys know how much I love my weekend banners. And then here are a couple of big double box decoration stickers, and these are actually chopped up into all kinds of pieces, but that's to give you the flexibility, so no matter what planner you have, Happy Planner, Erin Condren, plum paper, these are made to fit in those boxes. And here's another one. So again, it looks like one sticker and you can use it as one sticker, but there are lots of little pieces there if you need it to be smaller. Excuse me. Here are some more post-it notes and then some numbers. There's slightly larger squares, and then these are round. And then you get 4 sets of date covers in the colors of the kit. So we've got a charcoal gray, a dark like indigo blue, kind of a plum pinkish purple, and then more of a straight up bluish purple. So this is the extra sticker kit, and it is my understanding that the new sticker subscription kit comes with its only stickers, and you get the extra sticker kit and the 4 pages that are in the standard sticker kit. So if you subscribe to stickers only, you're going to get all of these sheets of stickers. Excuse me. Okay, and then the last thing we have left is the paper pack and the extra paper pack. Actually, I didn't show you the washi yet, did I? So here is the widest of the washies, and it's got kind of a holographic foil on it. Those stars are kind of slightly holographic, but they're not super shiny. They're a little bit matte, which I like, actually. So we've just got kind of, you could use this across the bottom of a page as a border. The medium washi then, again, has some of that foil. It's just a starry sky with a little bit of an ombre between the two, between the two purples. Again, that's kind of a subtle hollow foil on there. And then the skinny washi has, again with the hollow foil, and these are the little fireflies. Again with that same purple ombre as the sky washi. So those are the 3 washis that you get. So gorgeous. If you like purple, this is the kit for you. Okay. And then last but not least, we have the papers. So the standard, this is the standard paper pack. You get 3 different pairs of papers that are double-sided. You get a piece of vellum and a piece of acetate. So this is the first. It's got the flowers with the fireflies, and then the back is this gorgeous pink watercolor wash page. There we go. The second one is this dark star and cloud sky that's blue on the back. And then the third is no clouds, just stars, and is purple on the back. This is not foil, this is just white. Gorgeous. The color saturation on these, I say it every week, every month, but. And then this is the acetate, or I'm sorry, the vellum, which is slightly see-through. You can see my hand through there. So this is similar to the page I used to print snowflakes on to make my cat lady planner seem a little more excuse me, to make my cat lady planner seem a little more seasonal. And this looks like it's very similar to this page. I don't know if it'll line up exactly. It does, it's just offset a little bit. So there we go. And then this is the acetate sheet. So this is a clear plastic sheet. I've laminated these to be bookmarks before. You can do all kinds of stuff with these. And this one's got a holographic kind of rainbow foil. So there it is over top of a piece of paper, so you can see it a little bit better. But I don't know if you can tell, there's a rainbow holographic feel to that pattern that's printed. And it's a rainbow holographic on both sides, so it is reversible. So that's the acetate. So that is everything in the standard paper pack. If you order the standard kit, full kit, you will get all of these papers. Now, in addition to these 3 different designs, plus the acetate and vellum, you can get you can get the add-on paper pack, which I also do. So this is the additional paper pack. So you can see here from this back side, it's got a second piece of the same vellum and a second piece of the same acetate. So you'll get 2 of those if you want to do something kind of front and back or whatever you want to do. You do get a second sheet of each of those. They are the same. Then you get 3 more pairs of designs. So this one is a night sky, and I'm definitely going to have to make this into a cover. That is so gorgeous. I think that would make a beautiful like Valentine's Day cover, maybe with one of those quote cards up here. And then the back side is a brighter pink. It's different than the first pink that we saw. There we go. So there you can see it's a deeper pink. The second design in the extra paper pack is this with the little the strips of wishing paper with some flowers, and this yellow. And so this kind of matches the yellow that's in the center of those flowers. And then the last is the constellations in the sky. I'm not sure which way is upright and which way is upside down, but it's my understanding that this is the alignment of the stars when they founded Planners Anonymous. So they've got a little homage to their founding, and the back side of that is this charcoal gray color. So that is the additional paper pack, and like I said, I would get this additional just so that I could make a cover out of this paper. So look out into the future before Valentine's Day for another video from me on making a cover, laminating my own covers. But that's everything. That's what you get in the Planners Anonymous kit, and the additional paper pack and the additional sticker pack. Please consider having a look at their website. Like I said, this kit you can't get anymore unless you go to a buy sell trade group, but the next kit is going to be that beautiful cherry blossom sakura kit that I just absolutely cannot wait. They came out with a kit like that before I joined Planners Anonymous, and I tried to find it, and it was so super popular that they're bringing a new version of it around again, and I can't wait to get it. So I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some ideas and you go and check out. I bought this on my own. I am not promoting Planners Anonymous, other than that I absolutely love their stuff and just wanted to share it all with you. So this was the Under the Skies kit. I hope you liked this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.